Hi everybody, I am Tuyao. I am design engineer in this HVACR design engineering YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about basic HVAC. Okay, let's start. There are three main sections involved in HVAC: cooling system, heating system, air handling unit. The cooling system is used to reduce the temperature of the environment that the HVAC system is controlling. The components of the cooling system are chiller, cooling tower, condenser fan, primary fan, secondary fan. The heating system is used to increase the temperature of the environment. The components of heating system are boiler, primary fan, secondary fan. Air handling unit AHU control the ventilation and temperature of the building by controlling the airflow capacity. Components of AHU are cooling coil, heating coil, air filter, ductwork, supply fan, radiant fan, inlet damper, exhaust damper, radiant damper. The warm water rejected by the chiller is sent to the cooling tower through the condenser fan and cooled. The cooling water from the cooling tower basin is pumped onto the chiller. The secondary pump the chill water from chiller to the cooling coil. Fresh air blows in from the inlet damper. The airflow across the cooling coil and its temperature is reduced. The water in the cooling coil takes up the heat from the fresh air blown through it, and this one water is sent back to the chiller by pump for chilling. The chill air flowing out of the cooling coil is moved into the ductwork by means of a supply fan. Through the ductwork, chill air is distributed to the individual zone. The warm air in the zone are sent back through the radiant fan. A part of this air is sent out as exhaust. The other part is fed back into the system through radiant damper to be used for cooling. The hot water from the boiler is fed to the heating coil by means of the secondary fan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.